Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and unique stitch pattern. This pattern can be used in your baby sweater, lady sweater, gent sweater. You can knit this in your any projects. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 14 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 8 plus 5 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 5 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 23 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 and plus 5 extra stitch 21 and 2 edge stitch 23. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here, or you can knit through the front loop. I'm going to knit through the front loop for this demonstration. So your edge stitch, knit and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, purl 3, and in front purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 4, 1 2 3 4. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 4, 1 2 3 4. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3 and knit 4, 1 2 3 4. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 2 4 6 stitch, last 6 stitch, knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 1 and edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3 and purl 4, 1 2 3 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 3, purl 4. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3 and purl 4, 1 2 3 4. The last 2 4 6 stitch, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3 and purl 1, edge stitch, purl. Row 3. For row 3, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1 and this purl stitch, 2, knit 2 and then yarn over SSK, these 2 stitch SSK and knit 4, 1 2 3 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, 1 2, yarn over SSK, knit 4. Repeat that again. Knit 2, yarn over SSK and knit 4, 1 2, 3, 4. And your last 6 stitch, knit 2, yarn over, SSK, and knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 4, for row 4 purl all stitches. Row 5, for row 5 slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, knit these 2 together through the back loop, SSK and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 3. Repeat that again. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, and knit 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here. And the last 2, 4, 6 stitch, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK and knit 1. Row 6, for row 6 slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, knit 3. Now knit these 3, knit 3, 1, 2, and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 3. Repeat that again. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then knit 3, 1, 2, 3. And the last 5, 6 stitch. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purl 5, edge stitch, purl. Row 7, for row 7 slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 3. Repeat that again. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then purl 3, 1, 2, and 3. And the last 6 stitch, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, for row 8 knit edge row 6. So slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 5, 1, 2 3 4 5, purl 5 and knit 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat, purl 5 knit 3. Repeat that again, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and knit 3, 1 2 and 3. And last 6 stitch, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, edge stitch, purl. Row 9. Now for row 9, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5 and then here knit 1, knit this purl stitch, yarn over, SSK, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, knit these 2 together through the back loop, SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 1, yarn over, SSK. Again knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5, knit 1, yarn over, SSK. And your last 6 stitch, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, edge stitch, knit. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11. For row 11, slip your edge stitch and knit 1. And now start the repeat from here. After these 2 stitches, for repeat pattern, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3 and then knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK. Now last 2 4 5 stitch, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, edge stitch, knit. Row 12, slip your edge stitch, start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3 and purl 4, 1 2 3 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 3, purl 4. Again purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 4, 1 2 3 4. Again purl 1, last 2 4 6 stitch, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. row 13. For row 13, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And last 2, 4, 6 stitch. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 1. Edge stitch, knit. Row 14, wrong side, last row. Slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and purl 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 3, purl 4. Again, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your last 2, 4, 6 stitch. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1. Edge stitch, purl. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 14 rows, row 1 to row 4, row 14 over and over again until you reach your desired length. See, and after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Oops, sorry, I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.